Hey everyone, here I am doing exercise 11.3, 10th question. This is from perimeter and area chapter of class 7. The question is, from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed, as shown in the adjoining figure, which is this. Find the area of remaining sheet and take a pi value as 22 upon 7. Now this is a figure they have given here. Okay, this is a circular sheet where the radius is 14 centimeter. They're talking about the whole circle, this big circle where the radius is 14 centimeter, and they've also given the radius of the small circle, that is these two circles they have given. The radius is 3.5 centimeter. They have given the measurements of rectangle, which is this. They have given the length and breadth. Length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. We have to find out the remaining sheet. Means if you remove this circle and this rectangle, the remaining part we have to find out. So let's see how to do this. Now in this question we have to find out the blue part, this blue shade part we have to find out. How to do this? So what we're going to do here is we're going to first find out the area of the whole circle, the complete circle. From this area we're going to remove this small circle and the rectangle, which means we have to find out the area of the big circle, that is the whole circle, and then we have to find out the area of the small circle. We have to find the area of this rectangle. Once we found the area of the small circle and rectangle, we're going to remove it from the big circle, from the area of the big circle. I hope this is clear. We have to subtract the area of this circle, and this rectangle from this whole big circle. So let's start this. We have to just find the area, nothing else. We have to find the area of every shape they have given here. Okay, so let's see what is given. So they have given first the radius of the circular card sheet, which is nothing but the outer, this circle, this big circle. They have given the radius, which is 14 centimeter. So let's write down that. So radius of sheet, I'm writing sheet is the circular sheet which is given. So radius of sheet is equal to 14 centimeter. Now first we're going to find out the area of this big circle. Okay, so then area will become, so area of circular sheet is equal to, we know that area is pi r square. Let's substitute there. So pi value is 22 by 7 and r value they have given is 14. So 14 square, or you can write down 14 multiplied by 14. Let's cancel this. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. So from here when you multiply 22 and 2 we'll get 44. So 44 multiplied by 14. When you multiply this 2 value also we'll get 616 centimeter square. So from here we got the area of the big circles. So just remember this, we got the area of the whole circle, which is 616 centimeter square. Now I'm going to erase this part, but I remember this value. I'm going to keep it aside. I'm going to erase this part for now. So that was the area of the big circle, the circular sheet. Now we're going to find out the area of the small circles. So, and the radius they have given is 3.5. So given radius of small circle is 3.5 centimeter. Now we're going to find out the area. So area of small circle is equal to pi r square. Now since we have two circles here, instead of finding out 2 times, I'm going to just simply multiply this with 2, because we have two circles of the same radius. I'm going to multiply with 2. So area of small circle formula is pi r square. So area of two circles, okay, area of two small circle will be 2 into pi r square, because two circles are there. We're finding for two circle, so twice it will become. So this is equal to 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7 and the radius here given is 3.5. So 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. Now we're going to cancel 7 and 3.5. we'll get 0.5. Now when you multiply this whole thing, when you multiply 2 into 22, we'll get 44, and then multiply it by 0.5, and then multiply it by 3.5. When you multiply all this number, we'll get here 77 centimeter. I'm not multiplying and showing you how to multiply. I guess you know how to multiply the numbers. So 77 centimeter square will get when you multiply all these 3-digit numbers. Okay, so here we got the area of the big circle, we got the area of these two small circles. The last thing we have to find is area of this rectangle. Okay, so let's see how to find out. So I have to again erase this. We have to just remember, or you can just put it down somewhere in your notebook. We got 77 centimeter, and the area of the big circle we got is 616 centimeter square, which I'm gonna use it later again. Okay, now let's find out the area of the rectangle. So given length of rectangle is 3 centimeter, and they have given breadth as 1 centimeter. We have to find out the area. So area of rectangle will be equal to length into breadth. So when you do it here, when you substitute the values here, we'll get length is 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter multiplied by breadth is 1 centimeter. So this will be equal to 3 centimeter square. So we got the area of rectangle as 3 centimeter. Now let's substitute everything. I'm going to erase this part also once again. Okay, we're going to substitute the whole values now. Now we have to find out the area of remaining sheet. So area of remaining sheet will be equal to, first we have to take the area of the whole circle, that is big circle this. So area of circular sheet. From this sheet we have to subtract area of the small circle. So in the bracket I'll go write down area of two small circle plus the area of this rectangle. So area of rectangle. Okay, so let's substitute the values here. So this is equal to, so area of the circular sheet we got as 616 centimeter square minus area of two circular sheet we got it as 77. So 77 centimeter square plus area of rectangle is 3 centimeter square. Now this is equal to 616. I'm not writing the units right now. I'm going to write it down at the end. 616 minus 77 plus 3 is 80. So 80. Okay. Now when you subtract 616 and 80, we'll get 536 centimeter square. So this is the area of the remaining sheet. So this was simple question. Only thing is you have to understand what we have to remove from the big circle or the circular sheet. So that's it. I hope this question is clear. Though it was lengthy, but it was easy. Now in case you have any further question or doubts, you can drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.